Hi ma'am, good morning. To Ma'am Cynthia and to Carl, no? Si Carl po ay kasama na sa IOC scholarship sa Olympic Solidarity. Other than Carl, ma'am, meron pa ba kayong ibang atleta na ina-aspire na kasama sa Olympic Solidarity so that we can make a good team, we can make a good women's team, and make a good men's team also.
Yes, of course, I want Miguel Besana and Ivan to be part of the Olympic Solidarity because these are my good athletes. And these are the ones that we're preparing to be qualified for the Olympics so that at least we will have a team in the Olympics, which is wonderful if the Philippines will have a team. That's my dream now, is to have a team in the Philippines. Not only, and by the way, can you call him Eldrew? Because Carl is like Carlos. They will be confusing. So Carlos is Carlos and he is Eldrew. Okay?
To Drew. Drew, now that yung kuya mo nagkaroon na nasama sa scholarship and now ito nagkatuon na rin. Many times during dun sa Batang Pinoy, lagi mong kinakwento, tatalunin ko kuya ko. Ngayon, sasali ka sa World Youth, mas gagalingan mo ba na malampasan mo yung isang gold mo ng last time?
Yes po. Siya po yung ginagawa kong motivation to achieve what I want to achieve po. So, if gusto ko po matalo si Kuya, hindi ko po siya yung parang rival. Ang gusto ko lang po talaga is yung goal ko, like parang ma-achieve ko lang po yun. Ginagawa ko po siyang motivational para magawa ko lang po talaga kung ano yung nararapat kong gawin.
Si kuya mo nakadalawang ginto. Ikaw lalaro ka ng 7 events sa juniors and then maybe sa 2028 ay 7 ulit. Sana ganun kayo ni kuya mo. Pero anong tinitingnan mo sa sarili mo na kaya mong lampasan yung 2 goal ng kuya mo?
Siguro po I will gonna do my very best lang po talaga to achieve what I want to, or to achieve what my goal is po talaga. So ang gagawin ko na lang po talaga is yung pinaka-best ko po kung gusto ko po talagang mangyari.
Meron ka pang isang kapatid na naglalaro din, yung pinakabunso ninyo. Ano yung nakikita mo sa kanya na magiging susunod sa inyo ng yapak ng kuya mo?
Hindi ko po alam. Nagbabakasyon po kasi siya ngayon. Kaya hindi ko po alam. And injured po siya ngayon. Kaya hindi ko po talaga alam.
Si Ma'am Cynthia kaya, ano ang nakikita niyo ma'am doon sa isa pang yulo na pwedeng magdala na naman ng prestige sa GAP?
Yeah, she's already trying now. She's having a psychologist to help her mentally and strengthen her. So we are doing everything in our power to get her going and to start, because she is good also. Magaling siya. It's just that sometimes she gets injured and like Eldrew says, he doesn't know. You don't know where she's going. So I think with the psychologist, it's helping her go forward. My dream. You want to know what my dream is? I already have a dream of I have a gold medal. I have another gold medal. Maybe who knows, in the Olympics I might have champions. But my main goal is I want to have a skill that's named after us, like a Euro skill, like a guy that skill. That is my dream. Okay? Huh? Oh, yeah, she's gonna give it to me. Okay?
Ma'am, last
Nice.
question po. Gaano po ka-sure yung pagtuturo ni Coach Mone kay Eldrew? Hindi ba yan matutulad doon sa pagbitaw ni Kaloy o ni Carlos? O gaano kahaba, gaano yung system ninyo na may kontrata ba si Coach Mone kay Eldro, or meron ba siyang hanggang kailan ni Coach Mone gustong maturuan si Eldro?
I think I can answer that. So, for me, siguro yes naman po. Magtatagal naman po kasi kahit pa paano, araw-araw po, like parang, well, kahit nakakapagod, nakakahanap pa rin ng way para sumaya si Coach Mune. Eh, parang halos araw-araw nag-aasahan na lang po kami ni Coach Mune habang nag-training. No joke po, like parang, like asahan, like, asahan po, like, joke, having fun time while doing training.
Banter, ma'am. Banter.
Yeah. So, ayun nga po, like, nakapag-focus na rin po kahit pa paano. Well, sinasabihan niya ako ng, pangit mo! Mga ganun wish sa akin. Sinabi ko, okay po. So, gusto mo maging pogi, galingan mo. Like, nagtatagalog na rin po talaga siya. So, yeah, tawanan ko po siya kasi ulit niya rin po magtagalog. Kaya, nakakahanap pa rin po ako ng way para hindi po maburingan sa Japan po kahit mag-isa lang po. And, yes po, masaya lang po sa Japan kahit ako lang po mag-isa. Kasi nakakahanap rin po ako ng way para magpalipas ng oras habang nag-training. Well, maganda na rin po naman yung training ko kahit ganun din po yung araw-araw namin banding. And yes, may contract po kami ni Coach Mune. And I think it's private na rin po yun.
Sino?
I want to tell you the difference with Coach Mune. The training of Coach Mune with Carlos was different from him. He has learned that he cannot be like that. He has to be a little softer, like me, that he can bend a little bit. With Carlos, he was very, very strict. But and I told him to give him time to adjust and not to be so strict. So I'm so glad that he is adjusting, and they're all very well. And make sure that we have a Philippine coach, because in the PSC, they will not give the incentive to the foreign coach. That's why we have a Filipino coach, which is also training Eldro, which is Raylan. That's his Filipino counterpart here.
Ma'am, this is a question balik lang ng konti. Mayroon mga gusto lang malaman ito. It's up to you to answer on that. Since yung incentive, sabi nyo nga, we course it through your Filipino course. Nabigyan ba ng paano share si Coach Mune something? Naghati. Ayan, no? Kasi marami nagtatanong even sa social media. So yun po, talagang happy po sila. And nakuha na deserve ni yes ma'am, please, you may speak.
That is the arrangement we have with the Filipino coach. That it's not fair that the foreign coach also gets it. So it's nice that they're gonna share like.
Documentation lang yung sa Pilipino, no? Sa Philippines. Anyway, ma'am, gusto kasi maglaro ni Eldro sa Batang Pinoy as in preparation for parang evaluation, personal assessment lang yan ang score niya. Kahit daw hindi siya we know he's far away na. Personal, lang daw niya? Ano ang masasabi? Personal assessment lang daw niya sa score niya, pero wag mo nang isama daw sa medal tally. Parang gusto lang niya na yung kung ano yung natutunan niya, gusto niya rin mapakita, makita niya sa sarili niya na ito na improvement ko. Ano ba ang papayagan mo ba?
He said that he wants to be in a competition.
Just to perform.
But the others should be afraid. I mean, they'll say, oh my God, he's...
No, ma'am, hindi daw po. Sige.
I'm not gonna be in medal tally. Like, I'm gonna be there just to feel like I'm in a competition. Like, I'm in an evaluation, but feels like I'm in a competition. Like, practice lang po for junior.
Para exhibition.
Meron maraming tao that watches. Marami.
Sobra, ma'am. Dami
Sobra.
no.
Sige, okay.
Okay.
Basta maraming tao.
Okay.